How to change login password in Vantage. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to change your login password in Vantage, then the first thing to do is to open the Vantage app or website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen and then click on Security. Inside Security, tap on Change Login Password. Now, enter the verification code sent to your email address. Click open the email from Vantage client, copy the code inside it, get back to Vantage app, and paste it in. Type it down manually as well if you want. And on the next page, you'll get to enter the new password. In the first field, enter your current password for your account. Go to the next field and create a new password. Re-enter the new password once again in the last field. And finally, click on Change Password. After you change your password, the withdrawals may be affected for 24 hours. Now you have successfully changed your password and you've been redirected to the login page. You'll need to log in again with the new password, so go ahead and do that. And that's it. That's how you successfully change your login password in Vantage. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.